Hi guys, Christopher here from Dynamic Trading Software. I just wanted to put together this short video on the swing trading software purely because we've just had a great chart set up on the pound versus the dollar daily. Now what this is that price has broken above the 200 moving average. We've got some really bullish candles forming, and it's a very low risk trade. So what I've done here is I've looked at some previous resistance, which is here, and I've drawn a horizontal line, and I've brought that forward. I've then drawn another line where we can put a stop. Now I'm using the 200 moving average as my stop here. I'm not using the stop given by the software because I know that the price is going to stick around the 200 moving average. So that's a really good stop for me. If it goes below this, the trade's failed. Okay, this breaks the rules of this trade. So I've put the stop where the 200 moving average is, and then I've just put a line here just to show me the current price. Now what you can see then is that we've got a tiny stop for quite a big target. So these are the sort of trades that I really like trading when I'm swing trading forex. Really, this setup applies to anything you're swing trading, stocks, forex, anything you can really throw on this chart. So again, this is the sort of thing that you do. It, a lot of people get a kind of uh, a misconception that you just buy a trading system, chuck it on a chart, and take trades. No, the software is there to show you algorithmically when you should be entering trades. Now, really, for this trade, it's already run away. We've got a blue trade all the way back here when the squeeze crossed over. So we had a squeeze here on the black dot, switched over momentum. We got the signal bar here, and we started to trade upwards. Now, I would have taken that trade, but my target would have been the 200 moving average, and I would have been out. Okay, now that we've broken above the 200 moving average and that we're trading above the 200 moving average, then that's a completely different setup. That is now, a trend trade. We're not going to have all the psychological barriers of this red line where all the traders are going to be like, I'm not trading that because we're about to hit the 200 moving average. We're now home free to the last target. Now, there's a couple of things that also you could do to bolster your probabilities here, and that is to look at all of the previous support and resistance that is effective. So here we had a bounce. You can see that because the price hit it and it rolled over. So again, I have now put another layer to beware of. So if we really want to chop up this trade, we can now say, let's take this trade, let's put this as our stop because that's going to be where the trade fails and starts trading below the 200 moving average again. Let's use this as our first target, and then we've got our second target as well. So that is a very effective long trade to take above the 200 moving average on the swing trading software.